At first glance, these aircraft look like mistakes. A plane with a cockpit stuck on the side, a flying pancake, a jet that aerodynamics said should never fly. Engineers, pilots, and even scientists believed these designs would fail before they ever left the ground, but somehow they didn't. In fact, some of them flew beautifully. These are the planes that were supposed to fail. In aviation, symmetry is almost sacred. Aircraft are designed to be balanced, left and right, equal and stable. But in 1938, German engineer Richard Vought decided to ignore that rule completely. His design placed the engine on one side and the entire cockpit on the other. The result looked completely wrong. Many pilots believed it would spin out of control the moment it left the runway. But when the BV-141 finally flew, something surprising happened. It was perfectly stable. The asymmetric layout actually gave the crew incredible visibility for reconnaissance missions. The aircraft that looked like an engineering mistake turned out to be brilliantly balanced. During World War II, engineer Charles Zimmermann had an unusual idea. What if a plane didn't need long wings at all? Instead, he proposed something radical, a nearly circular aircraft. Most people laughed. Pilots called it the flying pancake. But Zimmermann believed the disc-like wing could create enormous lift, even at extremely low speeds. In 1942, the strange machine finally flew, and to everyone's surprise, it worked. The V-173 could take off in incredibly short distances and land almost vertically. What looked like a flying joke turned out to be a serious aerodynamic experiment. In the late 1970s, Lockheed engineers faced a strange challenge. How do you make an aircraft invisible to radar? Mathematician Pyotr Ufimtsev had proposed an unusual solution: break the aircraft into flat, angular surfaces that scatter radar waves. The result looked absurd. Sharp angles, no smooth curves. Aerodynamic experts believed it simply couldn't fly. And technically, they were right. The aircraft was naturally unstable, but with the help of computers constantly correcting its flight, the F-111 became the world's first operational stealth aircraft. A plane that shouldn't have flown changed modern warfare forever. Landing a fast jet on an aircraft carrier is one of aviation's hardest challenges. In the 1950s, engineer John Russell Clark proposed a strange solution. Instead of forcing pilots to angle the entire aircraft during landing, why not move the wing? The F-8 Crusader was designed with a wing that could tilt upward during takeoff and landing. Many believed the mechanism would be too complex and unreliable, but it worked. The adjustable wing improved visibility for pilots and allowed safer carrier landings. Sometimes, the strangest ideas turn out to be the smartest. At first, these aircraft looked like mistakes. Designs that broke the rules of aerodynamics, symmetry, and even common sense. Yet somehow they flew. And these were only the beginning, because some engineers pushed aviation even further, creating aircraft that looked even more impossible. Those designs are coming in the next part. And if you enjoy exploring the strange history of machines, consider subscribing to the Industrial Archive.